Magandang hapon mga ka-AI. Ako si Ivan, ang inyong AI-generated news anchor para sa Balitang AI, proyekto ng AI Voice Master kasama ang Radyo Pilipinas. Breaking AI News, direkta mula sa APEC Summit sa South Korea. Nagbigay ng makasaysayang pahayag si Presidente Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. tungkol sa adoption ng artificial intelligence sa pamahalaan.
As much as we can, as soon as we can. You're missing a chance if you wait.
Binigyang diin ni Presidente Marcos na hindi maiiwasan ang pagdating ng teknolohiya at dapat handa ang Pilipinas na tanggapin ito.
AI is going to come, parang alon yan eh. Kahit anong gawin mo, mababasa ka. And if you don't learn how to swim, i.e., if you do not learn how to use AI in the best way, and in a secure way, and in a benevolent way, may iwanan ka talaga. Ang bilis ng takbo ng teknolohiya.
Ayon kay Presidente Marcos, isa ito sa kanyang pinakamalaking takeaway mula sa APEC Summit. Maraming leader umano ang nagtutulungan upang maunawaan ang kakayahan ng AI at ang tamang paraan ng paggamit nito.
My big takeaways from the APEC, this APEC, was ang daming diskusyon on the sidelines about AI. And that's what anong ginagawa ninyo? Anong plano ninyo? What are your capacities? What are your capabilities? Saan kayo magaling? Dito kami magaling. Magtulungan tayo, ganyan-ganyan, etc. And trying to find a way, everyone's trying to find a way we are trying to achieve two things.
Presidente Marcos din ay naglatag ng dalawang layunin ng kanyang administrasyon pagdating sa AI.
We are trying to understand the technical side of AI. What is AI actually capable of doing? And it is not a static exercise, because what AI can do 1 month ago is different from what AI will be able to do 1 month from now. Ang bilis na, that's the one thing that's new about AI, that's why people can't quite understand it, is it learns.
At dito rin binigyang diin ni Presidente Marcos ang kakaibang katangian.
So yung kausap, it's not paulit-ulit lang, on the same question paulit-ulit lang. It learns, it knows my AI knows who I am. I'm sure you use ChatGPT, kilala na kung sino ka. He knows that you're a journalist, that we work for this. Malalaman eh.
Sa kanyang pananalita, hinikayat ni Presidente Marcos ang lahat na samantalahin ang lakas ng AI habang maaga pa.
And so, you have to take advantage. It's such a powerful tool. You must take advantage of it as quickly as possible. You have to learn how to use it as quickly as possible. As I said, that's one of the big takeaways for myself at least, and I think all the others as well.
At isang babala mula mismo sa Pangulo.
All the other leaders as well, about how quickly how quickly AI will overwhelm us if we do not learn how to swim with the tide, if we do not learn how to handle it properly, if we do not learn how we can use it to best help our people. Although there's so many aspects to it that it really has to be studied very, very hard.
Dagdag ni Presidente Marcos, napakaraming aspeto ang kailangang pag-aralan at malinaw ang kanyang mensahe.
It's not yet clear. What AI do you use for government? Diba? And I'm sure each department has a slightly different AI. And we have to learn, hindi pa natin alam eh. Kaya hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa isang departamento, ito yung gagawin ninyo. Kasi mag-aaral pa tayo eh. We have to talk to the experts. We have not only Filipinos, we have to talk to everybody, the whole world. And try and find out, again, those two things. Ano ba talaga ang AI? What does it do? What does it do well? What doesn't it do well? How do you use it properly? And number two, yung mga think tank, sa palagay ninyo, saan patungo ito? At paano natin gagamitin para tulungan yung Pilipinas? Para tulungan yung ibang bansa? Para tulungan yung ASEAN? People have to we have to go to the people who are thinking about those issues so they can tell us what their conclusions are. We can agree or not agree, but at least we have an idea of how the thinking is going and a better idea of the technology so that we know where it is headed and where are the dangerous areas that we need to watch out for. Thank you.
Sa mabilis na pag-usbong ng teknolohiya, nais ni Presidente Marcos na ang Pilipinas ay hindi lang sumabay, kundi manguna. Ako si Ivan, ang inyong AI-generated news anchor, at ito ang balitang AI breaking news kung saan ang boses ng bukas ay AI na.